let's take a look at the Smart Trends data available in your eSpeakers dashboard, and I'll explain to you how this can benefit you as a presenter. When you go to your dashboard, you have some rankings right up here at the top on how well you rank compared to other speakers in the directory. And there's a link right below this for View All Smart Trends. And the Smart Trends has a lot of great information in here. There's your eSEO marketing score, which we covered in a different video. There's how many profile impressions and views you've had, how many directories you're listed in, how many days since the most recent update of your profile and your calendar, and how many speaker tracks you have active. What I find really interesting is the topic rankings. Every topic that you have listed on your profile, it shows where you rank in the directory compared to how many other people list that topic, as well as a comparison of your fee versus the average fees. When you scroll down, there's information on the most booked cities, where people are booking speakers to speak. And I find this really interesting. The most searched topics. You can see here that right now, executive level leadership is by far the most searched topic in the directory. Now, some of these lower boxes you may not be able to see depending on your account. I'm going to switch from a Pro account to a Plus account. And here in a Plus account, when I scroll down, some of these items are grayed out. And so if there's Smart Trends data in here that you're not able to see, you can upgrade to a Pro account to get access to all of the information. The Smart Trends data can be used to position your profile to match what meeting planners and conference organizers are searching for when they want to find a presenter for an upcoming event. Search through the Smart Trends data right now and optimize your profile to get seen and get booked.